Good evening, everyone. So I'm coming to you with another video. We started the Reno process on the property in Spain, and before we can do the rewiring of the electric, we have to fix the floors. So I have a couple of videos that I want to share with you. It is, it's not a horizontal video. It was videotaped and sent to me as far as progress going on in the house. I'm in the States right now, so I'd like to share it with you. And again, apologies, just getting through these videos, and just like and subscribe, and continue on our journey of ANDA-LUCI in Spain. Thank you.
Good morning, Doris. How are you? I hope you're well. So today, first day of your house makeover. I thought I'll do a little video for you, show you what we're going to do today. So we are going to, let me just turn this around, try and sort this flooring out. So start taking some tiles up, and you can sort of see what we're looking at. As you can see, they're just coming up, a lot of them so far, without me having to do too much. We've got a nice hole going down to the ceiling below there. So what I'll do is I'll strip back as many of the tiles I need to. I'll show you a bit more in the video of what it looks like, and we can go from there. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye. I'm now going to start taking away where you can clearly see the floor has caved in. You've got a crack running from pretty much where my finger is all the way to the end. I don't know if you can see in that corner, a bit's gone as well. And then there you've got a crack. So pretty much this half of the floor definitely needs to come out. But as I'm taking the tiles back, I'm seeing other areas like there cracking. Also around the edge, you can clearly see where the floor's going down. So my suggestion is the floor. Well, obviously all the tiles are going to need to come up. Sorry, all the tiles are going to come up. I will be saving as many of them as possible. You might be able to use them elsewhere. So my plan is to get all the tiles up, clearly take back as much as we need to see what is underneath the flooring, see what can be repaired. I'm hoping it can be repaired as opposed to the whole floor having to come up. But I will know more as and when I go on, so I'll keep you updated. I'm going to do another video for you, just asking you a few questions about the doors, but we'll speak again about that soon. As you can see, Doris, I've taken this section up here. What I'm going to try and do is, there looks like there's a concrete lintel here beside, sorry, you see my finger. Here's a concrete lintel, and then you've got two old beams. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and span, instead of having like small bricks like that going across, and then you've got nothing to support the middle. No wonder it caved in. You can buy, like I say, sort of metre length, they call them matching brow. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to need to channel into the wall, dig that out, and then try and sit the new matching brow brick on the lintel going into the wall. I'll try and repair this area. I'll sweep it all out, clean it all out, get rid of all the rubble. I think what I'm going to do is get the rest of the tiles up, and then put like a fresh screed of concrete on it, because at the moment the concrete that's on there, I'll show you, is it's just crumbling. So look, that's just all coming away. So yeah, so my plan again, try and repair that as a section without taking all the floor up. I'll know more once I take the rest of the tiles up. I'll see whether there's anything else that needs to come up and see if we can get away with just patching that and then just putting a fresh screed of concrete over the floor, the whole floor. So that's kind of my process at the moment. Chat soon. Hi Doris, so here is the latest update of your floor. The tiles are up. So all the tiles are up. Obviously that bit's now kind of ready to repair. However, the reason that this was dipping, if you remember the tiles there, basically you've got a concrete lintel here, okay, which is picking up this, but from there to there, there's nothing. That's a beam. This is wood that's rotting away. I'm not sure whether those beams, I'm not sure whether them beams are going under and supporting the bathroom floor next door. But as I say, you can kind of see that this tile was coming down and just resting on this. So as I say, where it's just rotting, that's why it's under the weight, it's sunk. So again, I think what we need to do is certainly take up that along to the door, and maybe even some of this so we can get access to this beam. And if there's another beam, so we've got a beam about here. If we've got another one here, then we might be able to span, and that little 6-inch span will be okay. But until we get some more of this floor up, I'm not going to know. The other option you've got is just to take it all up, but again, that's up to you. I mean, again, obviously, let me show you. Like I say, here's the brick, and this is the old style concrete. Again, you can just see it's all turned to dust, so all that needs to be scraped off. Back to the brick. Anyway, like I say, it's just up to you whether you want just the whole thing up and put it all in new, or whether you want me to just try and make good in that corner down there, like I'm going to do on that side. Again, have a think and let me know your thoughts. Chat soon. This one earlier on. So what I'm saying is, if we are looking to raise these, it makes sense to do it while there's rubble and obviously the work's being done on the wall for the electric. So if you give me the go ahead, we'll get this out, raise this up, and I'll get a quote for someone to put a new door in, obviously here, this one as well, and I think you said this one. So there's those three, so I'll get a quote on those if you would own. So I'll get this video over to you today, and then you can let me know if you want that to get done. But it makes sense why there's going to be mess to do it as opposed to me painting and then obviously doing it again. So chat soon.
So thank you, John, for showing me that video. John from Casa Keys in Spain. So we weren't expecting that floor to be that way. As a matter of fact, we didn't even notice the floor had collapsed because there was so much junk like laying around when we went to visit or, you know, go and to see the house. So I'm going to show you a quick video of me and my sister like walking around with the agent, and you know, like we were planning on doing the floor anyway, but however we didn't know the floor had collapsed. So I'm going to show you that video, and so it's a good thing that we are doing the floor first, because that damage was quite considerate. And so we still have a whole way, like a long ways to go with this journey, and but I'm determined to get it done because you know, it's going to be the goal of turning that into a creative life stay and, doing the art and, all genres of art and creative expression. So, thanks for watching, and I'll show you that video to follow that. So, like and subscribe, please. Thank you. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I would definitely work on something with the floors. Look, this is what this view is and stuff, but it's very bright.
Yeah.
I would definitely work on something with flooring, because when you have like areas like that right there,
Yeah.
anything that might be in the wall, as far as like a bug coming through there,
Yeah, all the floors need to be
they need to be done.
redone.
You want to offer a nice experience from the beginning,
Yep. Yeah. But I'm saying
but you just got to prioritize. Now, what I don't want to do is put this back down.
she can put it down. But what I'm saying is, do you think I need to?
Well, I'd say don't start with the roof first.
Yeah.
Take another assessment.
Yeah. So as you can see, that floor was pretty damaged around that side, and we didn't really see that because there was some some objects in the way there. So I didn't. There's certain things, like whenever you first walk through a house, you don't really pay attention until you come back, and then you start noticing, to the extent of the work that you have to get done. But I'm grateful to have good people that are helping me, and the roof didn't take priority after all, so it's the floor. And then I'm just kind of curious as to what that bathroom floor is going to look like, because that rotten beam is closer to the bathroom side. But I'm just excited to have the renovation process started, and so it's one step. It's a step closer to beginning my creative life stage, and so I'm excited about that. It's all genres of art and creativity and scholarly practitioner, research, or any kind of, any and all kind of freedom to create or to express, for self-expression. So I'll be working on that. So thanks for watching, and please continue to join us as we bring these videos to you, and always like and subscribe. It improves my algorithm. Thank you so much.